In this video, we're going to show you how to set up and maintain your Pacific Arc drawing board. We'll go over initial setup of your board, how the parallel bar mechanism actually works, and easy ways for you to reset the parallelism of your bar along with rewiring your board. When you first receive your board, you'll notice that the parallel bar is locked in place. This ensures the bar will not break during transit. You will also see an instruction manual advising on how to unlock your bar, reset it, and provide other important information. Once you've taken it out of its packaging, you'll want to unlock the sides of the bar so that it can move freely. The next thing you'll want to do is make sure the bar is parallel. Most of the time, you will find that only a fine adjustment is needed. To do this, you can simply loosen the fine adjustment knobs on the top of the bar to make the minor adjustments that are needed. And that's how you set up your board whenever you first receive it. Keep watching for more information on how the parallel bar mechanism works and how to fully reset the parallelism of your bar. Now we'll go over how to fully reset the parallelism of your bar. First, you'll want to make sure that the fine-tuned parallel knobs on both sides are tight. Next, you'll release the brake knobs and then loosen but do not unscrew the wire capture knobs. Make sure that the board is facing up and slide the brackets along the wire until the straight edge reaches its desired parallel position. From there, you'll retighten the wire capture knob securely. If the knobs are not clamped firmly to the wire on the back, this can make your bar not slide properly or stay parallel. Keep watching and we'll show you how the parallel bar mechanism actually functions on your board, as well as giving you details on how to rewire your board whenever it's needed. Here's how the parallel bar mechanism functions. If you look on the back side of the board, you'll notice there's a wire and pulley mechanism with a spring. When you move the bar up and down the board, you'll notice that the wire itself moves through the pulley mechanism to keep everything level, with the bar actually remaining in the same spot along the wire length. This is why it's imperative that the wire you use is the correct length. Otherwise, the bar would not stay parallel properly. The spring you see on the back is used to keep the proper amount of tension on the pulley mechanism. If you find that the parallel bar is not sufficiently clamped to the wire, but still does not stay parallel, it could be a sign that the wire and spring in the mechanism need to be replaced. Next, we'll go over how to fully rewire your board should it ever need it. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, the replacement spring, and the replacement wire for your board size. The wire length is extremely important to achieve the correct tension on the mechanism, so make sure you have the right one. To fully replace the wire, you'll do the following. First, you'll remove the old wire and spring. You'll need to use the screwdriver here to loosen the guard on the back, which keeps the wire from catching on itself in the middle. Next, you'll run your new wire through each of the wire pulley mechanisms in each corner, making sure to replicate the initial wire configuration. The last step is to set the bar at the base of the board and retighten the wire clamp knobs on either side of the parallel bar. Now, the only thing left to do is to check that the mechanism is working smoothly by moving the bar up and down the board. If the wire catches, check that your spring is located in the middle of the board when it's rewired to ensure it's not getting stuck to the wire pulley mechanisms. And finally, you'll check the parallelism of the bar, and you're all set. We hope you found this information useful, and if you ever have any questions or need further support, please contact us and we'll be happy to assist. Thank you for choosing Pacific Arc, and happy creating!